Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Gap credit card online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Gap credit card online, open up a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in gap.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the Gap credit card activation page. Go ahead and fill in your card number in the first text box. Your card number will be located either at the front or the back of your credit card. After entering your card number, enter your security code, which will be available on your credit card itself. It is 3 digits long, and on the next field, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, from the occupation drop-down, select your occupation and finally click the activate button in order to finish off your card activation. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to do so. That is how you can easily activate your Gap credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.